Hi, we are going to see this UMG96EL device today on how to navigate the displays on these device. I'm switching on the device right now. So the device comes in with a voltage line to neutral as a scene. First display. Then you can possibly use the up arrow button on the right side to navigate to the other parameters. If you for the first time when you press, you get the backlit display as well, and then you can go to current by pressing the up arrow button here. You can also see the wattage, three-phase wattage, VA 3-phase, VAR three-phase, THD U1, and then THD I1, and then you can have the maximum THD U1 and then maximum THD I1, and then you also have 3 individual phase power factors plus the 3-phase power factor. You also have the frequency and the phase sequence displayed as a circle. So if it is a clockwise or an anti-clockwise phase sequence, which will be denoted by this device. Then you also have the kWh. Remember, I am using only the up arrow button here for kWh. It is a summation kWh for all the 3 phases, and then kVARH inductive, and then you also have the hours, the number of hours the meter is on. So this is what it is coming up. When you come back again, you come back to the voltage. So we have crossed one vertical by using the up arrow button alone. When you want to go deep dive into each and every parameter, what you are seeing here, you can use the side arrow button on your left side. So now I'm going to show you some of the parameters on the side arrow button. So this is the average value of line to neutral voltage, where it is denoted by a line on the top, which means this is the average or mean value of the voltage for 8 minutes, which is the default setting. But this default setting can be changed as well. And then you also have on the side, this is the maximum voltage which is applied, that is denoted by this arrow buttons, arrow marks. And then you also have the minimum voltage which is recorded in the meter, and as well when it comes back to the instantaneous display for the voltage. So by using the side arrow and up arrow, you can navigate. See, for example, if you wanted to go to the current, this is the current, instantaneous current. This, when you press the side arrow button, you have the 8 minutes average value, and then you have the maximum current, and then you have the maximum of the average current, mean values, and then again back into the instantaneous current. So one more point, if you wanted to see the next, by using the next button, you also see the summation of current, which is the vectorial sum or the calculated neutral current. And then you also have for the neutral current, whatever is the mean value, and then the maximum value, and then maximum of the mean values, and again you come to the instantaneous for the current. Then again you press the wattage. So you go through these buttons. Say for example, when you wanted to see energy THD, if you press from THD U, the side arrow button, you will get U2, that is the voltage 2, total harmonic distortion, and then voltage 3, total harmonic distortion, and then it comes back to the first display of THD, which is U1. Then by side arrow button, this up arrow button, you go to the next parameters as well in this case. So that's how it is done. Whenever you wanted to go back to the original screen, when it is powered up again, it goes back to the home page. That's it about this. Thank you.